Right now we're going to be looking at the hip 90-90 external rotation kinetic stretching. Once again, kinetic stretching, this involves, we're not just going to be laying down into the stretch, we're going to be actively pulling ourselves down into the stretch. So essentially we're going to be trying to lift this leg off the ground and in, so firing all these muscles on the inside of the leg to pull ourselves down into the stretch, slowly of course, and control. And then once we get down to the bottom, actively pushing ourselves back out. I typically like to do this for a set of about 4 count down and 4 count up, actively pushing that whole time. You can have your arms here, which is the easiest version to kind of help yourself lower down. Crossed a little bit harder, outside a little bit harder, and then up in front of you using that longer lever arm, which will give you the hardest exercise. So right now we're just going to come out to here. I like to use the ball just to squeeze to kind of increase that tension. We're going to actively start pulling ourselves down. So that's 1 rep. We're going to continue once pulling ourselves down, trying to pull this leg up, and then pushing away from the ground to bring ourselves back into this position. We'll go up and above. Okay guys, so that's it. If this isn't difficult, you're probably not building enough tension, trying to actively pull yourself down into the stretch. So really just focus on trying to bring this leg up so that you're pulling yourself down to the stretch and we're not just falling down into the stretch.